Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Today we will learn about counting. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. As you can see, they have two columns. So the first column is we need to count the dots. And the second column is the number. 4, 9, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 2, 10, 1. Okay. How many dots are given? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how to spell 10? T-E-N. Okay, draw a line. Okay, you guys get it? Alright, let's proceed to page number 2. For page number 2, we need to count how many baskets are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is number 5? This is number 5. Okay, color all the number 5, okay? Okay, finish your homework with mommy and daddy. See you next class. Bye.